Thank you.
That's
Okay.
a lot.
All right, here we go. Let's do another one.
One hundred, 200, 300. Oh, 100, 200. 200 and
All right, so let's look at it. So how many hundreds do I have?
2,
Hundreds. How many tens?
4,
For tens. And then how many at once?
1,
Now it made the number 241.
241.
241. That's more. This is fun. I like doing this. Oh, more. Oh, but do another one. Oh.
Okay, so you think of it, look at it. Let's see if you can figure it out. Don't say it out loud.
Oh. I know. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, let's hear. Okay, Braylon, what you have? She says 526. Let's see. How many hundreds?
5,
How many tens?
2,
And then how many ones?
6.
526. All right, let's count our points. So let's count our quarters. Remember the pattern is 25, 50, 75, $1. Count your quarters, the top one.
That's fine. Oh, this is it's like almost closer to. No, don't say it. Tell everybody that I'm going to I mean 4 rounds. I know.
Okay, Carol, what you have? Okay, let's count it. So we have 25, 50,
50,
75,
$75,
dollar, $25,
$50,
$75,
$2,
$2, $25,
$2.50.
$2.50. All right, let's try this one.
Oh.
Some dimes and a quarter. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's see if you figure out the pattern.
Oh, I know. I know it. I know it. It's almost closer to 2.
Okay.
That's it.
Worry about your story.
Miss Fugits, I can't see the dimes.
Oh.
Thank you.
I have to write my name. Yeah, I'm saying this because when you first started, I didn't know. I really know. I can keep on saying it, you're not going to be. So I learned that. Why?
Okay, David?
75.
75 cents. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 75.
Oh,
What is done?
50 grades. Yeah, because it's 50. It's like so.
All right, so guys, what we're gonna learn how to do is create fact families off based with 3 numbers. So you'll have a set of numbers, and what you have to do is create a fact family with those numbers. So you'll have to create 2 addition and 2 subtraction facts. So that's what we'll be learning. Okay. So I have 8, 15, and 7. These are my only 3 numbers that I can use. I can't use any other numbers but 8, 15, and 7. And from these three numbers, I have to create a family of 2 addition facts and a family of 2 subtraction facts. So when I am creating my addition facts, the first thing I need to identify is which number is my largest number. And my biggest number in this case is obviously what?
15.
What that means is my 2 smaller numbers are the numbers that I am using to add to get to the bigger number. So an addition fact I will use would be 8 plus 7, and obviously it's going to equal 15.
15.
Another addition fact would be the twin of this, which would be what?
7
plus 8
Plus
equals,
8.
it has to equal 15. Okay? So when it comes to the subtraction facts, you'll do the opposite. When it comes to subtracting, you have to take your larger number that you added to and you use it to subtract your smaller numbers. You cannot subtract 7 minus 15. That's not possible. You can't subtract 8 minus 15. That's impossible. So the big number that you added to, that's the number you start subtracting with. So you'll say 15 minus 8, and it has to equal
7.
7. This is the only number I can use. Then my other subtraction fact is 15 minus 7, and that has to equal 8.
8.
So that's my facts family I made with 8, 15, and 7.
Okay.
All right, let's look at the next one. 4, 12, and 8. Let's make a fact family with these 3 numbers, 4, 12, and 8. Let's start with the addition. So obviously, what number am I adding to?
12.
12. So how
12.
would I add that?
4.
4
4
plus
plus
8. It equals.
12.
Okay. What's my next fact I can make, which will be the twin of this one?
8 plus 4.
So again, when I start the subtraction facts, I have to start subtracting with my larger number. I have to start subtracting with my larger number. So 12 minus 4
4
equals
equals 8.
equal 8. There's no thought about it. That's the only numbers. Then my next one will be 12 minus 8
8
equals
equals
4.
4.
That's how I created this fact family. All right, I'm gonna put some more up here. So get out a loose leaf paper because I want you to try with practice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to try. No, he literally slams every book. Because he literally slams every binder. So, you know.
Okay?
Okay,
All right, these are my numbers 10, 7, and 3. Put those numbers 10, 7, and 3. Are we ready to share, guys?
Yes.
We should be ready to go.
No,
All right, so let's go ahead and get started, Dennis. If you want to start us off first.
I want the whole thing actually in section. This how
All right, so let's go ahead and create some addition facts, subtraction facts. So you try. What will be the 2 addition? All right, let's do 2 subtraction, unless you did them all. All right. Okay, so give me an addition fact we can create. 1 addition fact, Braylee. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, what's another addition fact I can create, Asa?
3 plus 7 equals 10.
3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, subtraction fact.
10 minus 3 equals 7.
10 minus 3 equals 7. And what's another subtraction fact I can create?
10 minus 7 equals 3.
There you go. We cannot do 3 minus 7 equals 10. Nope. And I can't do 7 minus 3 equals 10. Can't do that. If you did that, that's incorrect. That's not, you can't subtract that. There's no way to take 3 out of 7 out of 3. And you can do 7 minus 3, but it doesn't equal 10. So that's wrong. All right, let me put up another one. All right, 6, 8, and 14. Give me 2 addition, 2 subtraction. All right, let's see, 6, 8, and 14. All right. What's an addition fact I can create, Carol? 6 plus 8 equals 14. Another addition fact. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Give me a subtraction fact I can create.
14
Minus.
14 minus 6 equals 8.
Okay. Another one.
14 minus 8 equals 6.
Good. All right, awesome. So in your book, guys, it won't be like this in your book. It'll have 4 lines in your book, but it's the same exact thing. You do 2 additions, subtraction. All right, go ahead and get out your letters book. All right, good, Carson. $94 and $95. It's 2 pages today because we didn't do our page from yesterday. So $94 and $95. I'll put it up here so y'all can remember. $94, $95. Both pages. I'll give y'all a little time to work on that. You got it, Asa? $94 and $95? Yep. All right. All right, let's go ahead and practice our sentences. So just like on Monday, guys, we're just doing a review week this week. You have sentences. You should know now everything that you need to capitalize. Remember, we'll be moving into story writing soon. So this is just a refresher. So number 1, it says Dana and Sue went to Texas. You should be able to identify your proper nouns. Number 2, last Thursday, we won our game. And then number 3, I can or may play the piano. You'll write the sentence, but only pick one when you write it. Can or may. I can play or I may play the piano. Okay? You can go ahead and begin. Sentences. All right, so Dana and Sue went to Texas. How would I write this sentence the correct way? Asa?
Capitalize the D in Dana.
Capitalize first letter D in Dana.
Capitalize the S in Sue.
Capitalize my S in Sue.
Capitalize the T in Texas.
My T in Texas. And how do I finish it?
With a period.
Good. That's how we should have written this one correct. Number 2, last Thursday we won our game. Carol, how would I write it correct? Capitalize the L in last. Capitalize T in Thursday. Period at the end. Number 3, I can or may play the piano. Capitalize first letter I. Can or may. No, can or may. I can play the piano. How do I finish it? Period. All right, awesome. All right, so that's your sentences. Tomorrow's test, we'll just have a few sentences on there that you have to write correctly, okay? All right, so that's it for our morning Zoom ACE. I'll see you this afternoon. We'll finish the rest of our lessons, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.